Hey everyone, how's it going? MotoLabDirtBikes.com here. Hey, just wanted to go over a few things as far as preparing your suspension for shipment. Got a great idea here from our friend and customer in Pennsylvania, Adam. He's built himself a little shipping box here. Pretty easy stuff to do. Normally suggest if you have a double scoped or double rifle case to go ahead and use that. We got some great discounts on shipping. Go ahead and use that, or we'll give you up to a $35 credit. Pick one up from your local sporting goods warehouse or Walmart. The Plano double gun case is really a good one to go with. Or I know a lot of you guys and gals out there are super handy and got some basic materials laying around here, like Adam had here. So really just looks like some little piece of plywood. You could use 3/8 or 1/2 inch. And some 1x6 there, and really a 40 by 16.5. Oh, what's up? There's Maggie, the shop dog. Hey, girl. So that's really a good way, and we're just gonna crack this open and show you guys here. Really just simple. Make yourself a nice little rectangle. You don't have to get as fancy with the foam, but you can go ahead and use some old shop towels or beach towels or whatever you have, just to kind of keep the components separated. You don't want them banging off of each other inside there. Do make sure that your bleeder screws are removed or the forks are drained. Basically create yourself some space in here, and this is nice because it'll allow, for example, if you were to have your suspension modified, you can take and have some room there to send back your original springs, which is nice. So anything smaller like a single gun case will not do the trick. You'll have to have a separate shipment for your original springs to be sent back. We send back all original parts, all services, and lowering can always be returned fully to stock. Nothing's ever permanently modified. So there you go. Just want to kind of go over that, and this is a great example. Thanks again, Adam. It's just for helping providing this example here for you guys as well. And anyway, hope everyone's doing good. Shoot us a call here at 928-362-1486, or happy to hear from you via email as well, info@motolabdirtbikes.com, and we'll look forward to talking to you soon, helping you out. All right, thanks. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.